ACT is more fully integrated with the internet than it ever has been before. And I'm sure this will continue to improve. But one of the ways that we can see internet services is just to click on internet services in the navigation bar. When we do this, ACT goes out to the browser and finds its own web page. Now, on this web page, we have information about products, corporate users, support, the user community, partners, the company itself, the e-store. So as this page continues to change, we'll have more and more information. For example, if we wanted to click on support, then we can go into support for whatever we want. Customer service, the knowledge center, live chat assistance. So all of this is available through the web page. Well, what about through ACT itself? Well, let's close the web page. So we'll close the browser and then click on View, come down to Internet Services, and notice then that these are just quick links to where we were on the web page. So for example, if what we wanted to know is more about ACT training, we click on ACT training, and up comes information about premier trainers, quick study guides, and of course the ACT training that is available is tremendous across the industry, including what you're looking at right now. So we've got a tremendous amount of resources that are available through the internet, and it's very easy to get to these. Close the browser again, let's click on View, Internet Services, and let's take a look at ACT links. And notice it says Manage Links, so we're going to click on Manage Links. Notice that we don't have any links through ACT right now. But let's say that we find that when we are researching our businesses, when we're researching the people that we work with, we oftentimes like to look at news stories that have to do with those companies. And so we want to look at maybe MSNBC. So we'll click on Add, and then we'll put in the link name, whatever we want to call it, in this case MSNBC, and then the actual URL, the Uniform Resource Locator, or the address for MSNBC. And we can put in the www. We don't really have to in this case. So I can just say msnbc.com and click on OK. Notice then that that is listed now as a link for ACT. So how do I use that? Well, I'll click on OK. And then what I'm going to do is click on View in the menu bar, go to Internet Services, and ACT Links. And as you can see, MSNBC is listed as one of the links. So if I click on MSNBC, I'll open the MSNBC homepage. But we're not going to do that yet. What we're going to do is take a look at internet links. With internet links, we have a tremendous number of links that we can use for ACT. We can get driving directions, MapQuest maps, Yahoo weather, local information, and all of this information then can be fed from the ACT database. So as you can see, the internet services are fantastic. Later, when we take a look at some of the additional tools that we can use with ACT, we'll actually demonstrate how the MapQuest maps or the weather information works from the database. But the main thing to understand is that internet services allow us to tie into the world, allow us to tie our databases to the resources that are available to us through the internet, and to do that in a seamless way. So ACT has become more and more powerful, and it has ways to track what we're doing with our prospects. And one of the things that we definitely want to be able to do is to track sales opportunities. In our next chapter, we'll talk about tracking opportunities. That's next.